the subscription model has really become central to e-com, and it's interesting how it's done that so quickly, actually. And it's really representing a fundamental shift in the way that consumers perceive ownership. And specifically, it's really that ownership has taken a back seat in the way that consumers want to consume content and services. And from a merchant perspective, subscription services are, of course, very interesting. Why is that? One is, of course, the loyalty side. It really encourages a huge amount of loyalty between users and the seller, the company. Engagement, so typically with subscription-based services, there's a much higher level of engagement that you might see otherwise between the users, and that all has a major impact, of course, on the lifetime value, the LTV that a user generates for the company. So those are the key areas of interest from a subscription model perspective.